Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to hide a pin on Pinterest. Maybe you want to hide some of your Pinterest pins from other users, or you want to prevent pins with similar contents to show on your homepage. So today I'm going to show you how to hide a pin on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go to your homepage by tapping on this house icon. And here, select the pin that you want to hide. For example, you want to hide this pin. Simply tap on it to open it. Once you open it, tap on this three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu below, and here, select this hide pin option. After that, you will be asked why you want to hide this pin. For example, my reason is that this pin is not relevant to me. So simply tap on it. And after that, you now have successfully hidden the pin, and Pinterest will now show you fewer pins related to the one that you hide. There you go. If you wanted to know how to hide a pin on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to hide a pin on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.